Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today, yes, it's weekend. Today, in the daily newspaper of Saturday, September the 10th. Yes, it's September the 10th. Look, Saturday, September the 10th, 2022. We have here one regular puzzle. Well, actually two regular puzzles. The Medium Sudoku, and the next page is a Samurai Sudoku. Yes, Samurai Sudoku. Five Sudokus merged into one whole big Samurai Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. I won't do them all today. Half of them I will do on Saturday, and the rest of the puzzles on Sunday, because on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. We have here the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with a 1 star. In English, in Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru, and last one is a binary Sudoku. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Alright, but first let me start with this medium Sudoku. Yes, our daily Sudoku practice continues. This will be number 5152. 5152. Yes, 5152. Let me place it here. 5152. Yesterday, the last one was double 51. Well, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've already counted 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star for 1 star. You need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if I can manage this. Alright, so let's get started. Already 2 minutes past. Yeah. We have a 1 in this row, a 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between in the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright, okay, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. And now, next, which digit can I pick? How about? How about? Yeah. We have a 4 in this column. We have 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay. Alright. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Okay. Cannot continue with the 4. Need to wait. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. 7 in this first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about the 4 then? 4. Yeah. Alright, the 9 in this last column, the 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. So the 3 and the 6 are left. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. So we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 3, okay. I'm thinking we have a 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, okay. Then I need to wait for the 2. Cannot place those that number. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here 9 in this row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. 9. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in the third column, the 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this row. No 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. Okay. 4. 4. Still cannot continue with 4. How about the 7 then? 7. Yes. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should. Oh, no. Overlooked. 7, 3, and the 6. No. I need to wait for the 7. How about 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. Need a 4 here. 8. 8 in this row. 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column. 8 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this column should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 8. How about the 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4? Well, still cannot continue with the 4. 7 also. 4 and a 3, 4, 3, and a 2. We need a 2 here. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 2. Well, here cannot be a 2 because we have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. Here cannot be a 2 because we have a 2 in the third row. So no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this middle column should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we see a 2 in the first column. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 2. All right. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then 2, no, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then yeah. I'm thinking. 6, 5, 4. 4 in this row, first row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there we see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 5, number 4. Now I can do something with the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. This is number 6, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. Oh, wait. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in this row, third row. 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here in this column. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Little bit slower, but yeah, the introduction was also a little bit longer, 2 minutes. So, well, faster than 15 minutes. Okay. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.